So far, the details are very scant in terms of pricing and valuation of this IPO. We do know it's going to be a dual listing in Hong Kong and Shanghai. But if we look in the past, perhaps to some of Ant Financial's and Group's even previous fundraising, it might give us an indication of the kind of size we're talking about here. The last fundraising event they had was back in 2018. They raised $14 billion at a valuation, a reported valuation of around $150 billion. That puts its valuation bigger than some of the US's biggest banks, the likes of Goldman Sachs and Wells Fargo, even at their current market capitalization. So we can expect this to be a monster IPO, perhaps, certainly one of the biggest of 2020 and perhaps one of the biggest of all times as well. And it'll be a big boost as well for Alibaba, which owns a 33% stake in Ant Group. It will give investors in Alibaba a bit more clarity around exactly where this company is making its money and what kind of businesses it's into as well. And if we just look at that, it's well known for running the Alipay payments platform here in China. It's got several hundred million users, and it's one of the biggest payments platforms here, but it's been pushing into other products, the likes of insurance and loans as well. But one of the big pivots it's made in the past couple of years is focusing on selling financial technology to some enterprise customers, the likes of banks, for example, as well. When I remember speaking to previous CEO Eric Jing about this a year and a half ago, and he was saying this is going to be one of the biggest parts of the business in the future. So certainly changing business landscape for Ant Group here, and what we'll be watching for next is clearly the pricing on this and when finally it does come to market.